Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are watching from. My people come. Bini claim ancestry of almost every part of southern Nigeria. They are even making attempts on Igbo land. You know, Bini is like father of all nations. To them, all things come from Bini. Everything you touch, they tell you the ancestry is Bini. That is what we hear. Bini claims Uromi is their son, their daughter or their children. They hate to see Uromi people distance from them. They don't like it. You understand? And despite Bini claims, something just happened. You know, they say, when breeze blow, you see Faunach. Watch this video and we'll be right back.
Once I just say, I don't think for Apple, don't be Bini for Apple, no. You know, Apple for Bini, or na Uromi is for Apple. Uromi. Now, Uromi is a place in those states. Now, another set of language they also they speak for. They not be Bini that they speak. They're not Esran that they speak for there. You understand? I'm not being tribalistic right now. I'm a dog girl, but a Bini girl, Bini Nabi. I just want you people to be clear about this. I am not somebody to put. I know they support this their jungle justice, so at least they're supposed to handle them to police if they sure say they be kidnappers. Because according to what we hear, these people they come. They were armed. They catch them with guns. They catch them. So they suspected them, say they be kidnappers because they don't say they kidnap people for Uromi. They don't say they catch people, they injure people. They even keep people for Uromi before. Maybe they make Uromi people do their own this time around. You understand? But the truth is, I don't support jungle justice. But what I can't tell you this evening, Uromi to Bini, it passed 1 hour. Uromi to Bini, if you want drive, it pass 1 hour. So make anybody not miscalculate and say, na Bini or na Bini. Once you hear it, don't say, not be Bini or na Uromi. I beg go. So I know say government already take its course. I don't say make I say, well, anybody when like this video say, you know see this one. Yes, I be Bini, not be Bini for Apple. Nothing like jungle justice the Apple for Bini can never. If na Bini this thing for Apple, they don't go kill them never. Full and plenty for Bini.
Viewers, we are back again. The breeze don't blow. Regards the Uromi incident at which some northerners were killed, which they said they are hunters. Uromi people are currently facing some kind of backlash or blames, and all of a sudden, Bini people are beginning to deny them. Now, the particular lady you saw, she remembers their languages are different, and the distance between them and those people are miles apart, about 1 hour, according to her. You see how she's trying to wash hands off everything, as in wash Bini hands off everything. Can you imagine the games they're playing with this? So, all this while, the Bini people are using Uromi people to shine. To complete number, make up number, to get what we call numerical strength. So, the fact is that Bini may not regard Uromi, but they are just using them to, you know, like I told you earlier, they claim ancestry of everybody. Now, this lady is telling you that their languages are different. Oh, she just remembered. And she's also telling you that they are 1 hour apart. Now, in Igbo land, from Abia to Anambra or to Imo, it's more than 1 hour apart. Should we say, oh, these are not Igbos because they are under tension, because they are facing the heat? That is to tell you the kind of relationship, what Bini actually wants. It's about politics. They know that they are not the same people with Uromi. They know. They know that they are not relatives of Uromi. And let me tell you, this is how they are treating everybody else. Yes. As they deny Uromi that is like their closest. If you go to that Edo. Now, if they deny Uromi, you, the Igbo speakers in Edo, for example, the Igbanke people, what would they do to you? They will sink you. They will even hand you over to those who are looking for you. So Igbanke this, Igbanke that. They are claiming Igbanke because of politics. They want to use Igbanke to make up the number. It's not that Igbankes are truly related to them. They know the truth. But they contest Igbanke with the Igbo people. They tell Igbanke it's not Igbo. Meanwhile, Igbanke is Igbo Akre. They are Igbos. So, what is happening with Uromi? Their posture, their stand on Uromi should better tell you something. Shine your eyes. Uromi people make una shine on. I don't say you should become Igbos, but now you begin to know the truth about how this guy sees you. And not just Uromi, that is a lesson for every other people. The other day I saw a ZOB of Iseluku. And maybe that one, I had that Bini imposed certain kings from Bini to those people. That one could be their blood, but Iseluku people are Igbo people. So this is how Bini is dealing with those people they claim they are, that they are on they are related. Now, and that reminds me, I had the Oba of Bini suspended some chiefs, Igbanke Chiefs, that's Igbo chiefs. Now you begin to wonder, why will Igbo chiefs be under Oba of Bini? Why will their loyalties be to Oba of Bini, to Edo? For me, that is a degradation. They are degrading themselves. And the Obon on top of that, Zabda will say Obon on top of that. They saw this, suspending their chiefs. What is your gain? What is your benefit being under Bini? For me, and I'm advising you, if you be wise now, this is an opportunity for you to pull out, to trace back your roots. To trace back your root. I'm telling you, the land belongs to you. Nobody will chase you out of the land. But your soul is an Igbo soul. It is long overdue. Return to your roots. Align with the people who have the same blood with you. So many things in common, the market days, everything. The people who understand your language. Can you see? In a split second, the Bini has denied. They said they are not the same language with Uromi. But down to the east, so many hours from Igbanke, you hear, you can understand them. But Igbanke cannot understand Bini language. But Igbanke can understand Igbos of that distance. Even Igbos of Abia, Enugu, Anambra. It is time to say enough is enough. This is an opportunity that has presented itself for you guys to change. Time to boycott Bini rule. Stand on your own and connect to your Igbo roots. As for Uromi people, now on Asabi, make una use on a tongue, count on a teeth. The truth is bare. You saw the position of that woman. It is certainly the position of several of Bini people. They no send on her. Meanwhile, I see some Uromi guys who are actually working towards their true identity. There are several of them. So, una bye-bye for now. Make sure you share this video as you see it. Subscribe if you have not subscribed.